So hey Saints and lovers of STEM, I'm back for day whatever. I can't even remember what day I started working on this robot yet. I'm going to say last Friday or Saturday, but who really knows? But still keep going until the robot's moving. The good news, we just made a major hurdle in order to get the robot to do obstacle avoidance. We have sonar working. So the video you are about to see, you're going to see the sonar reading distance in MicroPython using the Raspberry Pi Pico W. And then as I get closer and further away from the sonar, the LED gets lighter and darker. So take a look. Here's a brief overview of my code. I don't expect you to totally follow it because for any instructional videos, I would either provide you with the code or I would go through it in more detail. But what you should see here at the very beginning, I am importing pin, ADC, and PWM from machine, and I'm importing ticks in microseconds, sleep in microseconds, and sleep in milliseconds from U-time. The LED is on pin 28, the trigger pin for the sonars on pin 3, the echo pin for the sonars on pin 2. Then I'm using the PWM to initiate the pin, the LED pin, and the LED will have a frequency of 60 hertz. I'm then going to use the trigger as an output and the echo as an input. And I also made a convert function because I need to map the values I get for distance to what I want the varying brightness to be. Then I have a distance function that basically pings the trigger on the sonar and then listens for an echo, and based upon how long it takes for the echo to return, it calculates the distance in centimeters. Then I have my main loop, which is my while true, that reads the distance, then converts that to be a value between 0 and 60,000, which will represent the duty cycle for the PWM to vary the brightness of the LED. All right, let's take a look. So here's my robot with a super bright LED. And so then if I use this book, and the book starts coming in closer, you can see the LED turns off. As the book moves away, it gets brighter. It's kind of hard to see because this is in the way. I'm trying to move some of these wires down. Okay, so no book. Bright. Dark. Further away. Bright again. So the sonar is working and the LED is working. Next, we will work on the buzzer. So we're doing light, sound, and motion. So let's see if we can get some sound going. So I hope you're enjoying my series to create robotics for the streets, open source robots to enable people from all backgrounds to engage in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, no matter what level you are. That's why everything I do is open source, open hardware, open software. Please come back, and I hope you enjoyed.